Welcome to the latest update on XRP and the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency ETFs. Today's news focuses on the buzz surrounding XRP ETFs, the absence of BlackRock, and the recent developments in the SEC versus Ripple saga. Let's dive into some key points. Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, stirred the pot on March 19th by stating that the SEC intends to withdraw its appeal regarding the programmatic sales of XRP ruling. However, there's a catch: no formal confirmation from the SEC has come through just yet. This means the situation remains in limbo, waiting for the SEC to officially announce any changes. Typically, if we look back at similar cases, we might have to hold our breath until after the next closed meeting, which is scheduled for March 27th. During a similar scenario on February 21st, the CEO of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, announced that the SEC was putting an end to its enforcement case against his exchange. It wasn't until February 27th, a week later, that the SEC made its dismissal announcement public. As we anticipate news about Ripple, it's important to note that the SEC's acting chair, Mark Uyeda, along with other key figures in the agency, will be voting on the appeal withdrawal. This closed meeting could be a turning point, though it's possible XRP might face some selling pressure if no formal announcement is made by March 27th. Now, let's shift focus to the XRP spot ETFs. A solid court filing confirming the SEC's withdrawal would pave the way for XRP spot ETF approvals. Various issuers, including 21Shares, Bitwise Invest, and Grayscale, have already filed applications for these ETFs, signaling growing interest in the market. However, one major player is missing in action: BlackRock. Despite the excitement surrounding XRP, BlackRock, known for their significant influence in the US BTC spot ETF market, has yet to step in. Their iShares Bitcoin Trust has seen a staggering $39.6 billion in net inflows since its launch, effectively countering $22.5 billion in outflows from Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. This raises an important point. Without the influx of funds from BlackRock, the overall BTC spot ETF market would have actually experienced net outflows of $3.6 billion. This underscores how vital BlackRock's participation could be in establishing a thriving XRP spot ETF market. So, as the XRP situation unfolds and institutional interest grows, all eyes remain on the SEC and BlackRock. Will we see the formal announcement needed to clear the path for XRP ETFs? Only time will tell. Keep tuning in for the latest updates on this exciting journey in the world of cryptocurrency. As we dive into the latest developments in the cryptocurrency landscape, it's essential to keep a close eye on XRP's price outlook, especially in the context of ETFs and broader market trends. Recently, XRP experienced a dip, falling by 2.27% on March 21st, following an earlier decline of 4.43%. This brought XRP's trading price down to $2.38, while the overall crypto market saw a slight decrease of 0.44%, settling at a total market cap of $2.71 trillion. Clearly, XRP is feeling the pressure, particularly when compared to Bitcoin's somewhat steadier performance amid ETF inflows. What's crucial for XRP's trajectory is the interplay between institutional demand and market responses to potential ETFs. Influential voices in the finance realm, such as Nate Geraci, are suggesting that BlackRock's anticipated filing for an XRP spot ETF could mark a significant turning point. Geraci boldly asserted that BlackRock might file for both Solana and XRP ETFs, especially if the SEC sees a resolution in its current lawsuit concerning XRP regulation. Switching gears to Bitcoin, despite facing its own recent decline, BTC is resisting significant downward movement around the $80,000 mark. This resilience comes in the wake of President Trump's initiative to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve, pushing the narrative that institutional demand remains robust. Moreover, the reintroduction of the Bitcoin Act by Senator Cynthia Lummis on March 11th could be a game changer. This legislation proposes allowing the U.S. government to acquire 1 million BTC across 5 years, extending a mandatory holding period of 20 years, potentially transforming BTC's demand landscape. Understanding these legislative movements and institutional filings could play a pivotal role in shaping market expectations and price actions for both XRP and BTC in the coming weeks. In conclusion, the critical question on everyone's minds is whether the evolving regulatory landscape will pave the way for XRP ETFs to follow in Bitcoin's footsteps. Investors and enthusiasts alike are waiting with bated breath for clarity amidst these significant developments in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Be sure to stay connected for more updates and insights as this story unfolds. On March 21st, Bitcoin experienced a slight decline, slipping by 0.2%, marking a continuation of Thursday's more significant 3.06% drop. It closed at $84,052. As we navigate the world of cryptocurrencies, understanding the market outlook is essential. Several macroeconomic and regulatory factors are poised to shape the crypto landscape in the near term. While the SEC's recent de-escalation may relieve immediate concerns, the long-term confidence of investors will hinge on achieving regulatory clarity in the United States. For those looking to expand their knowledge and stay informed about these crucial updates, our insights provide a well-rounded perspective on the latest developments. Now, let's take a brief look at the expert behind these analyses. Bob, with a wealth of over 28 years in the financial industry, has an impressive background. He has collaborated with various global rating agencies and multinational banks, covering currencies, commodities, alternative asset classes, and global equities, with a keen focus on both European and Asian markets. Switching gears, let's explore some pressing topics making waves in the markets today. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 are raising questions about a potential rebound as bearish sentiment seems to ease. Meanwhile, in the precious metals market, silver is raising eyebrows. Is this pullback overdone or just the beginning of a downward trend? In energy news, natural gas prices may remain under pressure, while WTI futures are nearing a breakout, boosted by bullish sentiments surrounding recent Iran sanctions. And for gold enthusiasts, a strong dollar has led to a pullback, prompting speculation about whether bulls will reclaim control soon. Join us for more updates as we continue to unravel the intricacies of these dynamic markets.